I said to Dr. Prasanna ji that inviting me in such an august gathering of scholars is like bringing sand to a beautiful beach. And so I will only kind of set the cadence and context for what we will be presenting to you, which was Ramanubhav, which was again commissioned by DSA Foundation, the Achuthath Foundation, in 2017 as part of the Ramayana conference. And it is experiencing the Mahakavya through the lens of dance. No other text has captured our imagination as the Ramayana has. No other text has informed the content and form of our dance idioms in India as the Ramayana has. As we sit here sharing this space somewhere in the world, a Ramayana production is being conceived, a part is being run, being read, a kand is being recited, even on Clubhouse. And it is a living tradition. And I just like to say that I grew up in a family of artists, and my mother was a dancer, Guru Maya Rao, and she used to choreograph the Ramayana for the Natya Ballet Center, which was done in the Ramlila ground. So no other text has also provided a fecund ground for us to exercise our artistic license as we wish, and also for commercial enterprises to populate that space. I remember the Ramayana, Sita's dowry, and the Ramayana would be stopped and all the shopkeepers of old Delhi would come, and then her dowry would be electric stoves and washing machines. Ganeshji would come with his big mask and Bata shoes, which was the main sponsor that evening. Listening in green rooms and recording studios as Chaupais or the Ramayana Darshan was being recorded. And I remember Anil Bishwas, who was a patron, the famous music composer, telling us about one particular Punjabi Ramayana that he was privy to, where they couldn't find the ring to give Hanuman. So Lakshman quickly ran, came back, said, "Bhaiya, nahi mil raha." So Ram said, "Acha, koi baat nahi, tusi meri watch le jao. Tumhari ghadi le jao," So, and or a Yakshagana performance where a very disgruntled Sugriv is complaining about Vali and calls out the corrupt municipal corporator of the region. So I'd just like to tell you that we looked at the works of Tulsidas, of Kamban, Arunachal Kavi, Valmiki, Kuvempu, and more, and it's a spatio-temporal exploration through the forms of the Jatra tradition, the Mandukya Shabdam of Kuchipudi, the Kathavachak tradition of Kathak, Bharatanatyam, Yakshagana, various martial arts like Thangtha, Chau, and others. And we are only showing you an 8-minute excerpt of a 100-minute production, which had about 20 dancers and 10 musicians performing live. And I'd like to just end with the thought, the production ends with that too, which is, where is Rama's ring? Who is your Ram? Which is your Ramayana? Thank you. One of our favorite episodes as we jump now to the Kishkinda Kand. We follow the unity of space and time in Sanskrit theatre, where chronology doesn't really matter. the theatre of imagination. This is the Vali Moksha, the entry of Sugriv, and he sees these two strange mortals, very handsome, ravaged by living in the forest, walk in to Kishkinda. And their first reaction is they are completely mortified. But to fortify himself, he calls Hanuman, who is going to become a very important character in our story, and he offers to go and talk to these two men.
ಯಾರೋ ಉತ್ತರ ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರಬೇಕು.
ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರ ಬಗೆಯನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಯುವುದು ಹೇಗೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವರು ಯಾರು, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾಕಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ನೀನು ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು.
ಅಪ್ಪಣೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡು.
ಹೋಗಿ ಬಾ.
We now move to Arunachala Kavi's 18th century composition, which is popularly seen in the Bharatanatyam style. Ni urai pai Hanuman. You shall say thus, O Hanuman. Hanuman tells her he is the Doot of Sri Ram. I need proof, she says. And Rama's ring. Will he really come? I will take you with me across Lanka. Come with me, Ma, he says. But Sita is adamant. I am, after all, the queen of Ayodhya. Let him come here and claim me. Let him defeat Ravan. That is dharma. Ram was now free to go meet his beloved Sita and take her back home. Was this going to be a happy ending? But, as Valmiki says, when Ram does meet her, he humiliates her. Of course, Sita walks out unscathed by the fire, but humiliated beyond repair. Our own poet laureate Kuvempu had another version. In his retelling, Sita did not walk into the fire alone.
ಚಲಿಸಿದನು ಚಿತೆಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಪರ ವಿಸ್ಮಯಂ ಚಿಂತೆಗೆ ತಿರುಗುವಂತೆ ಓ ಎಂಬರಿತರೊಳೆ ತಾಂ ಪ್ರವೇಶಿಸುತ್ತುಜ್ವಲಿಪ ಗೋಪುರೋಪಮದಗ್ನಿ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಮರೆಯಾದನ್ಯೇ ಜಮದಗ್ನಿ ಜಾತನಂ.
As you know, the Uttarakhand is more full of devastation than happiness. Sita eventually surrenders to Mother Earth. Lakshman commits suicide, or was it murder? Ram knows it is his time to go to Vaikunt. But even Yama is scared to come to Ayodhya because of his loyal friend and Kavach, Hanuman. Rama one day takes off his ring and drops it, as if by mistake, into a crevice and says to Hanuman, Hanuman, can you go fetch my ring? Hanuman transforms himself to the size of a little fly and dives into the earth. He reaches the netherworld, Patal Lok, and encounters the king of serpents, Vasuki, who guards Patal Lok. Oh Lord Vasuki, can you help me find the ring of my Ram, Sri Ram? Vasuki laughs. He says, sure, let me take you to the ring room. Lo and behold, there is a heap of rings. Which is my Rama's ring? Which is my Rama's ring? He says. At that point, Vasuki says something very profound. He says, in every kalpa, in the second quarter of the Treta Yuga, a Hanuman comes down to the netherworld looking for the ring of Ram. By the time he goes back up, Ram is gone. This, my friend, is the cycle of life and death. Rama has to keep returning, for which he has to go. Hanuman looks for his ring. Which is Rama's ring? Which is my Rama's ring?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಲು
Which is your ring? Which is your Rama? Which is your Rama? I wish we can have the full production sometime live over here. I'd like to thank Shri Prasanna ji, Rajni and Surbhi for inviting us and the DSA Foundation. And I would like to thank the project head of our company, Kirti, who took the humongous task of editing that version. Kirti is right here. And he was also Ram. And sitting with him is wonderful principal dancer of our company, who was Sita. And incidentally, they are married to each other. And unlike Ram and Sita, not separate. So there's Rupa. If you can pull down your mask for a second so they can see you. Thank you so much on behalf of Natya Institute of Kathak and Choreography and the STEM Dance Company. It's an honor and a delight to be here. And that book will be read by all of us. And it's a pride of place in our 1,700 other books in our library. And thank you.
Now with this, we bring this wonderful evening to a close. And I thank all the speakers and all the participants and those who have come here for attending this program. Thank you.